might not notice it, but there are habits and small things that you're doing each and every day that are making you look, well, uglier. Yes, that's right. But today I'm breaking down 10 things that could be messing up your looks without you even realizing it. So stick around, because number 10, probably something that most people completely overlook. Number 1, poor posture. It might seem like no big deal, but constantly slouching can make you look less confident, potentially a little bit shorter, and well, again, uglier. When you slouch, it messes with your alignment, affecting your spine, and can make you look lazy. Over time, this can lead to back pain, a rounded upper back, and just an overall unattractive appearance. The fix, it all starts with being aware of your posture. Practice standing tall with your shoulders back, your head up. Number 2, overusing hair products. Sure, styling your hair will make you look great, but too much of a good thing can make it look greasy. It can weigh it down and make it look flat. Using too much gel, mousse, or pomade can clog your scalp, leading to thinning of the hair, can leave your hair looking lifeless. It's important to use these products in moderation. So what's the fix here? Well, less is more. Use a dime-sized amount of product, spread it evenly throughout your hair. The idea here is to enhance your already natural look, not hide it under a layer of goo. 3, not drinking enough, being dehydrated. If your skin looks dull, tired, and flaky, there's a good chance you're not drinking enough water. So what's the fix here? Well, aim to drink more water. Between 2 to 4 litres per day will be adequate for most grown adults. This is going to vary based on your actual height and weight. As a general rule, a minimum of around 2 litres per day should be adequate for most people. Number 4, stress and lack of sleep. Dark circles, bags under the eyes, dull skin. This can all come from burning the candle at both ends. When you're constantly stressed and not getting enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol, which can lead to breakouts, hair loss, and faster aging. Plus, it shows in your attitude. Stress can make you frown and grimace, which is not exactly attractive. What's the fix here? Pretty obvious. Get more sleep. 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep per night is adequate for most people. Number 5, bad eating habits. A poor diet. What you eat affects how you look. A poor diet loaded with junk foods, processed sugars, and greasy meals is slowly making you uglier. Unhealthy foods lead to weight gain, bad skin, and low energy levels. It doesn't just affect your waistline, it affects your face too. Sugar can cause inflammation, which can result in acne and premature aging. So what's the fix here? Well, clean up your diet. Eat more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats. Your skin will glow, your energy will skyrocket, and you'll look and feel so much better. Number 6, neglecting your teeth. No one finds bad breath or yellow teeth attractive. Bad oral hygiene doesn't just make you look unkempt, it can also lead to serious health problems like gum disease. Over time, it can cause tooth decay, potential loss of teeth, and generally an unpleasant smile. So what's the fix here? Brush your teeth twice a day. Do not forget to floss and use a mouthwash. Number 7, not having a proper skincare routine. If you're not cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin, you're just asking for dullness, premature aging, and potential breakouts of acne. Without proper skincare, dirt and oil can clog your pores, your skin could lose elasticity, and sun damage can creep up on you fast. The fix here, start with the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and use SPF every single day. Your skin will stay fresh, clear, and youthful. Number 8, wearing clothes that don't quite fit your body right. Baggy, shapeless outfits or outfits that are too tight could make you look uncomfortable and potentially a little bit sloppy. Wearing clothes that fit poorly can throw off your proportions, making you look shorter, wider, or just plain unflattering. The fix here is to tailor your wardrobe. Make sure your clothes fit your body in a complimentary way. Number 9, neglecting your hair. Whether it's letting it grow out too long or not styling it properly, messy hair can instantly make you look less put together. Skipping regular haircuts, not washing your hair properly, or over styling can leave your hair looking unhealthy, which can drag down your whole appearance. The fix here: make sure to get regular haircuts, find a simple styling routine, and do not forget to keep your hair clean and healthy. Last but not least, and probably the most important, your attitude. If you're constantly negative, complaining about things, or just generally looking quite grumpy, it's going to show on your face. A bad attitude is one of the fastest ways to make you unattractive. So there we go. Those were 10 things you might be doing on a daily basis that are slowly making you ugly. Share this video with your friends to help them become more attractive. And lastly, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for future content, and I will meet you on my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day.